Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the beautiful Palolem Beach here in South Goa. So let's just look around here. So as you can see, this is an incredible place here in South Goa. Definitely one of the best and most beautiful places here in Goa. Something I'm going to tell you in this video is I'm going to be telling you the boat prices that take you the island tours. I will tell you the kayaking prices. I will tell you the massage prices and all the other details of the beach here, guys. So let's go and check out this beautiful beach. If you're new to my channel, I'm a local Goan from Goa here, and I show you some of the best places to visit and definitely give you some of the best advice, guys. So let's go and check out the beautiful Palolem Beach. So guys, right now I'm exiting breakfast here at the Palolem Beach, and as you can see, this is the view from my hotel. So I'm staying here at the Maran Hotel here in Palolem. So it's absolutely beautiful. Look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful. And right now it's around 11:35 in the morning. So this place here has this amazing beautiful rocks, which is very iconic of Palolem. I'll take you up later in the video. I'll go up there and I'll show you the rocks. So let's just zoom in a little bit and let me just show you what it looks like. So these are the rocks, and as you can see, the water is very blue today. So it has this nice blue tint to the water, and just see that there's lots of people have a good time. The thing about this beach, guys, is the water is very shallow, so there is not a lot of this thing. It's not very deep, so it's makes it swimming here very good for families, kids. As you can see in the distance, there's all families and kids here. Okay guys, so this is the hotel I was telling you about. So this is the hotel I'm staying in, which is the Maran Hotel. It has these beach view rooms, and there are some foreigners here who are having a nice time. So Palolem still has a few foreigners remaining from, after the lockdown they stayed back. So they stay here. Some of them are permanent residents here. So let's just look at the what is there. There are lots of these shops here on the side of the Palolem Beach. Beach beds, if you eat in any shack, is free compared to other places. So, well, other places also it is free, but they charge you around 100 rupees if you have not eating or drinking from their shack. So it's a very beautiful weekend here in Goa right now. I'm staying here for a few days with my wife. So this is the perfect family vacation spot. They have boating, they have kayaking, they have all these different things here on this beach. So Palolem, of course, is one of my favorite beaches in Goa, and this is somewhere I kind of grew up. I used to come here as a kid. I used to come when I was about 16 years old. I got my license, and the first thing I did was take my bike and come to Palolem. So let's just look in the distance there. As you can see, they have these paddle boards which you can use. So what we're going to do is we're going to head up the beach and we're going to ask them how much they cost. How amazing is this, guys? It's so relaxing here. It is so beautiful, and the weather is beautiful right now. It's not hot at all. So as I was saying, there are still foreigners here, and they're with their families. There are different hotels here. Let me just tell you, there are lots of these shacks here that cost not much money. It's quite cheap to stay here. So Palolem is considerably cheaper than any other place in Goa. So for me, right now it's season time, so I paid quite a lot, but you can get rooms as cheap as 1,000 rupees for a cabin like this. So that is the island in the distance. There are boat trips that you can do for this island. That's an island tour, and let's just look. that side. Let me just show you the other side of the beach. I will do a couple of videos in this place. I will show you in the evening the vibes here, everything here. So look at that, how fun is that? So let's just ask how much they cost for these things. So they have all these different ones. You got the single ones, they have the double ones, and we will ask. कौन है जा रहे? हाँ तुझे? Okay. Price कितने ले रहे थे?
Double 400 per hour, single 200 per hour.
So how much?
200 for single per hour, 400 for double.
Okay. So these ones are the double. So if you want to take a double, it is 400 per hour, and if you want to take a single kayak, it is 200 rupees per hour, which is absolutely fantastic. And I would definitely recommend this because you can go all the way till that island, and you know I would take it for 2 hours. So I'm going to show you another video. I'm going to rent one of these, and then I'm going to take it for an hour or two, and we'll do a tour of that island using the kayak. So stay tuned for that video. So we'll just go up ahead a little bit. So you can meet the gentleman here, and he will give you the kayak. There are different kayaks, all you know, you don't have to come to this guy only. There are many down this whole beach. As you can see, there are many in the distance. So you have a lot of these kayaks which you can come to. They have many beautiful cottages. At these cottages they also have massages. So if you want a full body massage or whatever, so like this, you can see here they have these massage therapy options. So you can call them, see the prices. They give you a free 5 minutes massage here. So in case you want a massage, you can get a free 5 minutes massage. And yeah, so we are heading down the beach now, and as you can see, it's very beautiful here. Lots of people. Not lots of people. This is one of the quietest beaches. If you really want to have like a peace, relaxed time, then this is the place. Some of these cottages here are. Let me just show you. Some cottages like this can be as cheap as 500 rupees per day for the cottages. Many people choose them for work from home because you can see this. You're just bang opposite the sea right here, and you can work from home. Very beautiful place, very interesting. So guys, this is Palolem Beach here in December 2020. I'm going to do a drone shot and show you this whole beach and this beautiful place, guys. So I will do more videos covering the rest of the beach, so stay tuned and keep watching. I will keep posting different videos. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So guys, these are the rocks. As I promised you, I'm coming back here. This counter here is where you can take if you want to book a boat and go on an island tour, which is costing 750 rupees per person. And as I told you, we're going to go to the rocks here. So let's go and climb the rocks. I would advise you to leave your slippers here before going. Flip-flop slippers. So let's start climbing these rocks. Okay, so the thing about these rocks is they are not sharp at all. So let's just look at the bay here. So it's not sharp at all. So it is so cool here to look at the water, guys. How beautiful is this? So you can hire snorkels and stuff from shops down that side. So let's start heading on to the rocks here. I'm going to start climbing. I'm going to start jumping around here. So yes, okay, be careful while going on these rocks. They are not wet, but it is required to be careful while going here. So I'm jumping from rock to rock. So let me just zoom out and show you these rocks. Oh, it's quite an adventure. So they are kind of slippery because my feet are full of sand. So let's just jump up. I had to get my footing there. Wow, guys, look at that view. So see this, some people are going to snorkel now, which is so cool. I'm so jealous right now. I want to go and snorkel. So probably in the next few days that I'm here, I'm going to snorkel and show you guys. Wow, look at the view. Let's zoom out a bit. Incredible. So that is the boating point, guys, and let's start walking ahead on the rocks here. So something very disappointing here is that people throw their trash here, which is so disappointing. Like, you come here, look at this place, how beautiful is this, and you would want to throw trash here. Means what the hell is wrong with you? Guys, always keep, whenever you come here, keep this place clean, guys. Look at how beautiful is this place. So just exploring the rocks. As I told you, as a kid I used to keep coming here. I used to come alone actually, and I used to make friends, and I used to end up staying here for 2-3 days at a time, because who wouldn't want to stay here? Look at this, look at the view. So let's just head on a little bit more. So let me just show you how dangerous this is. So if you see how deep that is, so I'm gonna jump across. Oh shit. So yeah, it is quite dangerous here. So if you're just clicking pictures or whatever, make sure to be careful, because while clicking your pictures you could end up falling down some of these rocks. And if you see there are grassy areas like this. Now whenever you see a grassy area like this, stay away, because let me just show you. So this is a grassy area, because sometimes there are snakes in that, so stay away from those. And let me just go onto this last rock here. There are many rocks ahead, you can go all the way there, but I'm just going to stay till here and show you this beautiful place. Wow. So guys, this is Palolem Beach, one of the most beautiful places to explore in South Goa, and definitely one of the best places to explore in Goa. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take out my drone and get some amazing shots of this place, guys. So let's go and get my drone.